Bitcoin is rejecting a key resistance level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Bitcoin analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in a free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. As you guys can see on Bitcoin right now, we are failing to break above that 20.7 level. Yesterday's video, I mentioned that's going to be very crucial for Bitcoin to actually find this level as support and then a continuation. And you can see that we also had the exponential moving averages retesting a resistance, and we had that move set that I talked about yesterday. We had a beautiful move riding all the way up to 21,100, grabbing that liquidity, and then it was very important for Bitcoin to find this as support and then a continuation over to 22.8. But as of right now, this is starting to look more and more like a double top formation. Ideally, the double top formation, you can see that we have pretty much all this resistance over here failing to break above, and we have the same sort of candlesticks forming now. And what I would like to see is whether or not Bitcoin can actually hold above these exponential moving averages. But if we get this resistance candle right over here on this rejection pattern and we see this move to the downside, things will look very bleak for Bitcoin overall. Ideally, what I see is the M formation being formed right now, and that would be a confirmation if we do get the break over here around the $20,400 mark. If we see that break of that level and we do see a bearish engulfing candle like we saw right over here, that would give that confirmation for the M formation, and we would be looking for those shorting opportunities to the downside. Now, of course, as long as we remain above this level here around the 20.4, things can definitely still be continuation for Bitcoin. This could still act as another move set, and we continue pushing further to the overall take profits level of 22.8. It's going to be very important to keep an eye around that level, and if we do see that break, enter that shorting opportunity on the pullback. But if we do hold this level and find it as support for multiple candlesticks for 20.4, we would be looking for that long continuation. Of course, on the lower time frames for Bitcoin right now, you can see that we do have a much better formation of a BART. Right now, we are trading in the BART formation. We had these highs, and now we are retesting these lows once more. If we get that candle break right over here, that's acting as support right at 20.6 on the lower time frames, we will definitely be looking for a move to the downside and possibly retesting the overall at $20,000. Now, again, this level has acted as support. You can see that we had multiple candlesticks reacting to this level. So if this level does hold and we do see a nice bullish momentum trade above that 20.7 and using it as support as lower time frames, things will definitely look good for Bitcoin overall. I'm still looking for that 22.8 level to be actually tested, but if this level cannot hold right now at 20.4 and we actually do see this M formation breaking, we can be looking for that move to the downside, possibly breaking that 18.8 and heading back over to my overall levels at 17.9 to 17.6. For those of you guys that watch my videos, you know why I keep mentioning these levels over and over is because of the fact you can see that we have tested this level but not quite hit that level overall, right? We've gotten close to 18.2 to 18.3, but we actually haven't tested this overall price analysis of this double bottom formation. You can see that back over here in June, we had this massive move to the downside, retested, and then confirmed to pushing higher. And as of right now, we are still getting to that level, and I'd like to see that test overall to know whether or not to actually enter that long position on Bitcoin. It's going to be very important from a bearish case scenario. If Bitcoin can't hold that level, I do believe we will be looking for a capitulation candle, and things are definitely going to become interesting then. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a